With the Centricon Termite Colony Elimination System, you'll receive service from the top professionals in pest management. It's available only from specially qualified, authorized operators of the Centricon system. These highly trained professionals will thoroughly inspect your home for evidence of termites, looking for damaged wood, termite mud tubes, and areas where wood is in direct contact with the soil. Be sure to tell them if you see swarming termites or discarded wings near doors or windows. Next, they place Centricon stations in areas where termites are likely to be looking for food sources. The stations are placed flush with the ground, about 10 feet apart, around the perimeter of your home and other potential feeding sites. The Centricon system, with always active technology, contains Recruit HD termite bait, a highly durable, highly desirable insect growth regulator that disrupts a termite's natural molting process. In termite palatability tests, Recruit HD was preferred over wood. Termites eat the bait, lead other termites to the bait, and share the bait with the rest of the colony. As the worker termites die off, soldiers and reproductives starve because they depend on workers for food. The termite colony declines and is then eliminated. In the lab, it's been shown it takes as little as 5% of the termites feeding on Recruit HD termite bait to kill all of the rest of the termites. 5%. The Centricon system with always active technology works 24/7, 365 days a year. Your authorized operator will keep you informed about termite activity in the stations and will be happy to answer questions about the Centricon system. After colony elimination, they continue to inspect Centricon stations for signs of a new colony that might try to invade the property. This is the unique prevention feature of the Centricon system, making it, in effect, an ongoing security system against termite colonies. It's important to keep this system on high alert because new termite colonies can invade at any time. You never know when they'll be back. It's not unusual to see signs of termite activity in situations after long periods of no activity, and the Centricon system can eliminate those new colonies before they even reach the home. Please ask about your authorized operator's service plan and renewal opportunities that keep the Centricon system working continuously. The Centricon system provides proven termite colony elimination and a variety of other benefits: convenience, environmental responsibility, because it's designed to limit environmental exposure and can be removed if desired, professional service, and peace of mind protection. That's the Centricon system with always active technology, supported by the industry's top local professionals. Put your trust in the Centricon system.